How cute is this place? So we just got to the ice rink in downtown Phoenix. It's located at Cityscape, and I'm so bummed out because it's so festive and I can't have you guys hear the songs because I don't want to get hit with copyright. Not good? Yeah, when you walk, it's like the worst. I'm not sure why we never feel comfortable walking in skates or even ice skating, like at the very first time when you just walk on the ice. I don't know if it happens to everyone, but this ice rink was really wet. It had like puddles around the Christmas tree, which was really weird. So everyone kept slipping and falling like the entire time we were there. This is hella slippery. Howdy. I have been living my best life for the last hour and a half. Now our feet hurt. Yeah, what a view. Besides our dirty windshield. It's the next day. We woke up and decided to go to Flagstaff today. Now we're just doing a quick stop at Starbucks. Currently right now I am loving a cafe mocha and the pumpkin muffins. Well, so these muffins are the best, and the holiday cups are seriously the cutest. You don't know how excited I am to see some snow right now. It's pretty here. Babe, no. No. Don't crash into me.
You can be like that.
Put my hand up. So we just had a cute little date. Now we're on our way to Sedona to get some lunch. And oh my gosh, I honestly can't with this drive. It's literally breathtaking. This is crazy. That's nice. It's so beautiful. We literally drove from Flagstaff and got to see like snow on the rocks and everything. Super cute.
Dude, look how dirty.
Oh my goodness.
Those wheels are fun.
If you've never been to Sedona before, this is so cute. They have like little shops throughout their entire town. I'm surprised they don't have snow here. I guess it's not as cold here, huh? Yeah. They did put de-icer. Yeah. We've been to this restaurant before, like a year ago. And it has the best salmon I've ever ate. Like, really, really good. And the view is spectacular. Out of all the restaurants in Sedona, this one is one of my favorite. I keep coming back to it. And I ordered the chicken scallopini, but sub it for salmon instead and get mashed potatoes on the side, and it's so good. How was food? It was good. It was really good. It was amazing. I know, I wish you got something like...
I need to stop getting burgers.
You should, because my food was so good.
Because I fucking, like, every single time, like, I regret it.
Yeah. Hey guys, I just wanted to get on here and say hi. I am actually making some chocolate crinkle cookies right now. So I'm making the chocolate crinkle cookies. I'm going to be using 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and then 1/2 cup of dark cocoa powder, 2 eggs. I got 3/4 cup of sugar in here with like 1 teaspoon of vanilla powdered sugar, I guess that's what you call it, but that's what I have in there. And then I sifted 1 cup of flour in here and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/3 teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna start off by using a paddle attachment for my KitchenAid mixer. Make sure it's on so it doesn't fly off. So I start off by adding in the vegetable oil and then turning on the mixer, and then the cocoa powder, and then turn on the mixer, and then the eggs and turn on the mixer, and then the flour mixture. And make sure you're scraping down the sides of your bowl all the time. And then you're going to go ahead and cover your batter and place it into the freezer for about 15 minutes. Okay, sorry about the background noise. My laundry is going to be going off, but you want to get a bowl of water to dip your hands in because I think it's going to help with rolling the cookie dough. And then get some powdered sugar in another bowl, a tablespoon, so all of your cookies are the same size. Get a sheet of parchment paper and put it on a cooking sheet. Yeah, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the dough. This is the cookie dough. I had it in the freezer for like 15 minutes, I would say, maybe 20, 25. But yeah, I think it's pretty hard. So I'll go ahead and get started and show you kind of how I do this. Just gonna roll my sleeves up, but I'm gonna be grabbing like a tablespoon, and then I'm gonna dip my hands into the water so that way it's already easier. And then you're gonna wanna roll it into a ball. So it's gonna look like that. Obviously hands are disgustingly dirty, but you wanna roll the cookie in the powdered sugar. So I was at Costco earlier this week and I was walking through their bakery aisle and I saw their chocolate crinkle cookies inside like their holiday platter box, and it looked really good. So I had the idea to just go ahead and make my own. So here I am making my own, and I'm so happy I did because they're so fresh and just chewy, fudgy, soft. They like melt in your mouth. As you saw, we went to Sedona and Flagstaff this week, and honestly, I'm just super grateful to live in Arizona. It felt like we experienced like 3 seasons in just 2 short days, because the day before at the ice rink, it was like pretty warm outside in the 70s, and we have like flowers that are in full bloom here. And then we went to Flagstaff and there was snow and ice, and then Sedona had leaves on the ground and obviously like some ice as well, but just makes me think like how beautiful Arizona really is. I don't know how much messages I got when I posted on my stories after going to Flagstaff and people seeing the snow. They were like super surprised that we have snow here. But yeah, we do, and there's actually like a mountain where you can go snowboarding and skiing in Flagstaff. So super fun. If you haven't been yet, you should definitely go. It's way worth the drive. I think it's like 2 hours away from like Scottsdale, an hour and a half from like northern Phoenix. So I got all the cookies on the sheet. It looks very, very messy. This is normally not how I do it, but I guess might have been nervous. Who knows? I have no idea. But the oven just preheated to 350. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in there. And I'm going to bake it for about 10 minutes and then take it out. Okay, they smell delicious. There's so much of them, I'm probably gonna have to freeze them, but yeah, that's what they look like. Really cute. Super soft. Okay, guys, good night. See you next time.